Now, the question goes, what advice for our brand ambassadors, what advice would you give to someone who is just starting to think seriously about their financial future? Nandun pa lang sa medyo, first steps pa lang, medyo nag-aalangan pa siguro, but have all these dreams. What kind of advice would you give, Papa P?
I would tell that person to take the risk, especially if you're young and you have that passion to to go further in your career. You won't know it until you risk it, and that's also your safety net. Knowing that you are actually doing this for your future, so you're more, I guess, excited to work. You're more excited to wake up because you're not just paying for something, but you're building your future.
Oh, it's paradox, no? It's a risk that you take, but it also the payoff is great when you go for it. What about Sarah and Mateo? For somebody na nagsisimula sa financial journey.
Pag-usapan nga po namin na dapat it's best to start early on in life para while you're capable of parang working hard and of course parang syempre if you start early on the earlier the bigger the amount
Ba't hindi
that you
ka
can
sabi
possibly
mo,
get.
Sarah? Ba't lagi si Matmat kinakausap mo? Akala ko pinag-usapan mo na gusto ko sa amin.
Kasi naman po eh. Kasi naman eh. Hindi, so mabalik nga tayo dun sa trabaho natin kasi nakakalimutan yung trabaho pag nakikita mo yung Papa P. So ayun nga, dapat you start early on in life. At saka, meron po kasi parang connotation na pag sinabing life insurance para lang yun sa mga financially capable. Pero nakakatuwang malaman na as ang minimum rate is you can open a policy by how much po? Sabi ni Miss, 1,000?
Well, it depends actually. For example, I have a term insurance that's just 500 a month. May ganon.
May ganun pala po. So, ayan. Diba? We want to encourage everyone na kumuha na ng life insurance with Sun Life.
Oh, doon kayo sa 129 years old company na. Diba?
Oh, wow!
Of course, you have to find obviously a very credible company, like what you said, 100 plus years. And like what Sarah said, it's very intimidating at first. How much you have? Do I have that much to invest, etc. But what's really good about Sun Life is that you get to talk to a very credible, knowledgeable advisor who can really guide you along the way. When I started more than 5 years ago, with Sun Life, I was very confused of how do I start? What policy do I get first? And they guided me. They said, Mateo, this is the first one. If you want to be on a longer term investment, what kind of appetite you have, etc. And now that I got another policy just a few months ago, now that I'm a married man, I would ask again my advisor, what do you think best fits? What policy best fits my lifestyle now and where I want to go? So I told them what my dreams, my goals, etc. for me, my wife, and they advised us on what policy to get. Yun.
Yun. Kasi it's a very personal di ba? Nakasalalay dyan talaga yung goals mo for the future. So on that note, a very quick fireside chat lang tayo. I'd like to close with Carla by asking if you would advise, along those lines din, somebody na nagsisimula sa financial journey, what particular financial instruments would you advise for them to get?
Actually, it depends talaga, Len, eh. But for me, I think the best financial product is a financial product that is actually something that you thought about, that is meant to achieve the goal that you want. So if, for example, your goal is to ensure that your family will be able to persist as far as their future is concerned, then life insurance is the product for you. But if, for example, you think naman na, I need to keep on working, I need to be healthy because my family is actually depending on my income and hindi, kumbaga, bawal magkasakit, di ba? Then critical insurance now is the product for you. But if, for example, you have another goal, let's say the goal is probably to save up and invest for a down payment for a particular property, then maybe a mutual fund product is for you. That's why it's really very important, as Matt said a while ago, to find a trusted financial advisor so that financial advisor can actually help you get into those kinds of details. Kasi yung mga detalye na yun naman ang magtutulong sa'yo maging porsigido to ensure na makamit mo yung goal na yon. And that particular financial advisor also will ensure that you keep committed to that particular goal. So kumbaga, the financial product is just the vehicle for us to be able to actually achieve our dreams.
Okay, there you go. Ayan na, kasi